How to hide Instagram story from someone. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, go to the profile of the person that you want to hide your stories from. Say for example, this one right here. And once you do that, and once you are on their profile, you want to click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, and from the pop-up menu just click on hide your story. A confirmation box will appear that tells you that this person won't be able to see any photos or videos from your stories from now on. Click on hide to confirm, and that's it. So that was it for this video. That's how you can hide your stories from someone on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.